Well, it's a nice sunny day, so I thought, why don't we make a burger? It's absolutely glorious where I am. Sun is shining. It is hot. Slightly windy, so excuse that. But yeah, thought I'd make one from scratch. Why not? So I got me some nice mince in a bowl. Just going to put a bit of cracked black pepper in. So this is just beef mince, good quality, nothing else. Add some salt, just a basic patty, pure beef, salt and pepper, I think that'll do. And get your hand in, give it a good mix. I have some strange ideas, I tell you. So just portion it and work it a little bit, not too much though. You don't want an overworked burger, it'll be too tough. Gently pat them out, shape them up. You'll see it better in a minute. I put them on the plate, get it out of this bowl because of the shadow of the sun. So real simple. Pure beef. Make sure you've got enough fat in it. Salt and pepper. And the job, as they say, is a good one. Now the question is, peacock going off in the background, is this going to stay alight? With a little bit of oil, like that. Take a patty, just give it one final settle, get it in. So while they're rocking and a-rolling, not too quickly, I'll get me some tomato, good old beef tomato, not too thick a slice, some red onion. This will all make sense in a minute, I think. Some lettuce. See how these burgers are coming on. Nice. Just want them to set their shape and we can turn them up. So being the madman I am, I'm kind of cooking this on the side of a mountain in like a natural, I don't know what you call them, crag, hole, a bowl. They're looking good, mind. Oh yeah, look at them. I want too much of that juice for this steak. Get her bunning. See if that'll create a little bit of steam to melt it. Obviously, I ain't in no kitchen, as you know. So we're going to get some mayo. Nothing fancy. I'm going to put just a little bit of Cajun spice on that. Just give it a little kick. And then me lettuce. Sheep can eat that bit. Let's get one of these burgers out without scratching me pan. Put it on there like that. I'm going to put my tomato on top, break the rules, and a little bit of red onion. Just put a little bit of mayo on the top there, nothing fancy. And that is burger number one, right? But it's not just about the food you cook, but about where you cook it as well, and the company you're in. Now, I is on my own today, but you can't get a finer place to eat this than where I am. So we have the burger, and then if I lift that up, I'm cooking it just below what is known as Park Life, the Devil's Elbow. So yeah, a nice hot and spicy burger there, eaten below the Devil's Elbow. I'm going to get in there. You're going to have to excuse the wind, but that burger is absolutely monumental. The juice of all that beef running down my hands, how it should be. Oh man. This is all that's left of burger number 2. I wasn't even going to eat burger number 2. It's like one of the best burgers I've ever had. I don't know if it's because I'm cooking it out in the wild, but it's like a trick of the light, isn't it? Sleight of hand. Anyway, this amazing place. Come with me and I'll show you how you get here. Unbelievable drive. So you wouldn't want to meet too much traffic coming along here, and it is quite busy. It's an unclassified road with 2 really, what's the word I'm looking for? Sharp hairpin bends. It's quite popular with the push bike lot. Better put my seatbelt on. But the views to the left are absolutely phenomenal. Of course, you've got the cars, motorbikes, people on the old push irons, and then the sheep, the raggedy ass sheep. Go on, get out the way, mint sauce. I should pull over here. Have a word, look, feeding. Go on, get out the way. Bless you. The views here are phenomenal. Let's just pull over here. So the gradient here is about 12%. Have a look at this, look. So precipitous. I'll just show you. A bit windy, you'll have to excuse that. Sheep are bleating. Look at that. We've got to continue. Up there. Right, come on my babby, let's get up. Get some more coal in it. Another sheep, look. Go on. Coming up to the hairpin number 2 now. I mean, they come up here on on their push bikes. Why? Ride a bike without an engine. Maybe it's because I'm lazy, but it's hardcore. And then it just keeps going up. Then there's a parking space at the top. There's one just here. It's more dumping it than parking. Okay, so absolutely stunning day, but up on the top here, it was so windy I had to turn the sound off. You couldn't hear a thing. I mean, you're climbing about 604 feet above sea level over a distance of 1.1 mile. So right up here, it was seriously windy. Lovely and warm, but blowing a gale. So that was my burger on the side of a mountain. Just going to begin my descent now to the valley below. Sun's just starting to set behind these hills. So yeah, time to get back and have a brew. Oops. Look how dark it is now. That sun's just going over that hill. Farmers turned up down here, so all the sheep are starting to gather. fed or fettled or whatever they're going to do. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful place. Someone's coming up on a push iron as well. Fair play to him. I can see him just to the right in the valley below. Look at these old Welsh farmers, as rugged as the hills themselves. When was the last time you saw natural beauty like this, eh? With it not being on the telly, it's unreal. And I am back to where I started. Cattle grid marks the end.